Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Airbnb in the USA, whether you have a spare room, an empty apartment, or even want to invest in a rental property. Airbnb can be a great way to earn extra income, and in this video, I will walk you through everything step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand how Airbnb works. First, let's understand how Airbnb works. Airbnb is an online platform where people rent out their spaces to guests looking for short-term stays. As a host, you decide when to rent, how much to charge, and who to host. Airbnb handles the payments, making the process smooth and secure for both hosts and guests. Step 2. Choosing the right property. If you already have an extra room or a separate apartment, great. You can start listing it right away. But if you're thinking of investing, here are some options: renting out a spare bedroom in your home, listing an entire apartment or house for short-term stays, buying a rental property in a popular tourist area. Before you start, check your local city's Airbnb regulations. Some places have restrictions on short-term rentals. Step 3. Preparing your space. Now, let's talk about setting up your space. A great Airbnb should be clean and clutter-free, well-furnished with a comfortable bed and stylish decor, stocked with essentials like towels, toiletries, Wi-Fi, and a coffee maker. Oh, and don't forget high-quality photos. Guests book with their eyes first. Step 4. Listing your property. Now, it's time to create your Airbnb listing. Here's how. 1. Sign up on Airbnb and create your account. 2. Write a great description highlighting your space's best features. 3. Set competitive pricing by checking similar listings in your area. 4. Upload high-quality photos to attract guests. 5. Set house rules to ensure a smooth stay for everyone. A well-crafted listing can make all the difference in getting more bookings. Step 5. Setting the right price. How much should you charge? Here's what you need to consider. Check local prices. See what other hosts charge in your area. Use Airbnb's smart pricing tool. It adjusts rates based on demand. Offer discounts for longer stays to attract more guests. Pricing wisely means more bookings and more money in your pocket. Step 6. Getting more bookings. To attract more guests, follow these tips. Write a warm and welcoming description. Respond quickly to guest inquiries. Get great reviews by providing a top-notch experience. The better your reviews, the more guests you'll attract. Step 7. Providing a great guest experience. Amazing guest experiences lead to great reviews and repeat bookings. Here's what you can do. Offer an easy check-in process. Consider using a keyless entry. Provide local recommendations. Suggest the best cafes and attractions. Go the extra mile. A small welcome gift or a handwritten note makes a big impression. Happy guests, more bookings, more money for you. Step 8. Managing your Airbnb business. Managing your Airbnb can take some time, but here are some tips to make it easier. Hire a cleaning service to keep your space fresh. Use smart locks for hassle-free check-ins. Consider hiring a co-host if you're busy. Automation makes hosting stress-free. Step 9. Following local laws. Taxes. Before you start, make sure to check your city's short-term rental laws, your HOA or building's rental policies, taxes you may need to pay. It's always a good idea to stay compliant and avoid legal trouble. Step 10. Scaling your Airbnb business. Once you get the hang of it, you can expand, buy more properties in high-demand areas, offer Airbnb experiences like guided tours or cooking classes, optimize for long-term stays for steady income. The more you grow, the more you earn. So there you have it. A complete guide on how to make money with Airbnb in the USA. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, Airbnb can be a great source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know, are you planning to start an Airbnb business? I'd love to hear your thoughts.